The lone TMC MLA and President of the AITC Meghalaya unit, Charles Pyngrope, strongly condemned the existence of VIP culture, which he believes should not exist at all. His comments came in the wake of a tragic incident where a life was lost due to reckless driving and negligence by a vehicle from a VIP's motorcade. Pyngrope expressed deep concern about the safety and security of citizens, stressing that protection should not be reserved for the elite but should instead be extended to all individuals who are vulnerable to danger or threats. He argued that security measures should be inclusive and not based on a person's status, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their position, is equally safeguarded.
See, I've spoken in the House in 2018 also, and every time. See, VIP culture, it shouldn't exist. Not only in Shillong or Meghalaya, anywhere. It shouldn't exist. I have seen a member of Parliament of the EU when I was in Brussels. All he had to show that he was a member of Parliament was a sign P, which someone told me that's member of Parliament, on his nameplate in the car, and he was driving his car himself. Culture for what? It's the people who are the VIPs. We are the servants of the people. We are not the VIPs. They don't misuse. It has been given by some notification issued by the government. That needs to be reviewed. That needs to be reviewed. It's all by notification. Like tomorrow, I get a personal security officer. Do I need him? I don't think so. But there is a set of rules that has been laid down, which has been notified that so and so will have this level of, assistance. Now only the police can tell you that whether he requires it or not. There should be a regulation on everybody, Why are they using it? Why are they not using it? That the government and the police department should do, because see, giving protection is the prerogative, and under the what do you call it, the police departments, when they what is the word, when they assess the situation, they come to the conclusion whether or not a particular person, irrespective of the VIP or not, should receive extra protection of security. You don't have to be a politician. You could be a religious person for that matter.